Everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into NAB online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the NAB online NAB bank login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen, and it basically stands for National Australia Bank. So let's tap on that NAB internet banking, and you will be redirected to the official login page of the NAB internet banking, where you can see it is asking us for our NAB ID and our passport. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the login, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. But right above all that, you will be able to see there is a option, remember my NAB ID. So once you check mark this one, which basically means your credentials is gonna be saved in this browser successfully. So by chance, if you have forgotten your passport or your NAB ID, then simply tap on the forget your NAB ID or passports on in the screen, and you need to complete some more formalities, and once you verify yourself, you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into NAB internet banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.